Evolution and classification. Sharks belong to the class Chondrichthyes, which encompasses all cartilaginous fish, and they are a key part of the subclass Elasmobranchii. Their evolutionary lineage dates back over 400 million years, making them one of the oldest groups of vertebrates on the planet. Fossil records indicate that ancient sharks, like the Dunkleosteus, reached lengths of over 30 feet and possessed formidable bony plates instead of teeth. This ancient lineage highlights their remarkable ability to adapt to changing environments over geological timescales. The diverse range of over 500 known shark species can be categorized into various groups based on their evolutionary traits. The two primary subclasses of sharks are the Neocoelacei, which includes modern sharks, and the Holocephali, which contains chimeras. The Neocoelacei is further divided into two main groups: the Galeomorphi, which includes sharks like great whites, hammerheads, and makos, and the Squalomorphi, which comprises dogfish sharks and others. Sharks exhibit an incredible array of physical forms and adaptations, allowing them to thrive in various marine environments. For example, the filter-feeding whale shark is vastly different from the predatory enormous white shark, yet both play crucial roles in their respective ecosystems. Some species are characterized by their size, such as the giant basking shark, which can grow up to 40 feet long, while others, like the dwarf lantern shark, are only about 8 inches long, showcasing the incredible diversity within the class. Anatomy and physical features. Sharks possess unique anatomical features that make them highly effective predators. Their bodies are streamlined, allowing them to glide effortlessly through water. The dermal denticles covering their skin reduce drag and protect them from parasites, enhancing their swimming efficiency. Unlike bony fish, which have a swim bladder for buoyancy, sharks rely on their large livers filled with oil to help them maintain buoyancy and stability in the water. Sharks have a unique skeletal structure made entirely of cartilage, which is lighter than bone and contributes to their buoyancy. This adaptation allows sharks to maintain their position in the water column without expending much energy. Additionally, sharks have a distinctive caudal fin, which aids in propulsion and maneuverability. The shape and size of the caudal fin can vary significantly among species, influencing their swimming abilities. The teeth of sharks are one of the most fascinating aspects of their anatomy. Sharks have multiple rows of teeth, with new ones constantly replacing older ones throughout their lives. Depending on the species, sharks can lose thousands of teeth in their lifetime. For instance, a single enormous white shark may lose and regrow over 30,000 teeth in its lifetime. The different shapes and sizes of shark teeth reflect their feeding habits. For instance, the broad, flat teeth of the whale shark are designed for filter feeding, while the sharp, serrated teeth of the tiger shark are well suited for tearing flesh. Sharks also possess specialized sensory organs that make them formidable hunters. Their keen sense of smell is one of their most notable features, allowing them to detect blood from enormous distances. Sharks can sense a drop of blood in an Olympic-sized swimming pool, demonstrating their incredible olfactory capabilities. They have a pair of nostrils located on the underside of their snouts, which allows them to efficiently detect chemicals in the water. The ampullae of Lorenzini, which are small jelly-filled pores located on their snouts, enable sharks to detect electrical fields generated by other animals' movements. This adaptation is especially useful for locating prey hidden beneath sand or in murky waters. Furthermore, the lateral line system, a series of sensory organs running along the sides of a shark, allows them to sense vibrations and movements in the water, providing them with a heightened awareness of their surroundings. The combination of these sensory adaptations makes sharks incredibly efficient hunters, allowing them to locate prey even in low visibility conditions. Their unique anatomy not only helps them survive, but also plays a vital role in maintaining the balance of marine ecosystems. Habitat and distribution. Sharks inhabit a wide range of marine environments, from shallow coastal waters to the deep ocean. They are found in all oceans, with the greatest diversity typically occurring in tropical and subtropical regions. Sharks' distribution is influenced by a variety of factors, including water temperature, salinity, and prey availability. Some shark species, such as the tiger shark and hammerhead shark, prefer shallow waters along coastlines, while others, like the basking shark and whale shark, thrive in open ocean environments. The whale shark, for example, is frequently found in warm waters near the equator, whereas the great white shark is commonly seen in cooler waters, often near continent coastlines. Certain species, like the bull shark, are known for their ability to adapt to freshwater environments, allowing them to travel far up rivers and into estuaries. Bull sharks have been documented swimming up the Mississippi River and are found in lakes and rivers in various regions, demonstrating their remarkable adaptability. Sharks exhibit migratory behavior, often traveling long distances in search of food and suitable breeding grounds. For example, great white sharks are known for their seasonal migrations, which follow the movement of prey species such as seals. These migrations can cover thousands of miles and are essential for their reproductive success. Researchers have tracked enormous white sharks that migrate from the coast of California to Hawaii, a journey of over 2,000 miles. Deep-sea species, such as the goblin shark and frilled shark, inhabit extreme depths, showcasing the incredible range of habitats that sharks occupy. These deep-sea species have unique adaptations, such as bioluminescence and elongated bodies, allowing them to thrive in their dark, cold environments. The frilled shark, for instance, has a long, eel-like body that enables it to navigate through tight spaces in the deep sea. Reproduction and life cycle. Sharks exhibit diverse reproductive strategies, which can vary significantly among species. The three primary modes of reproduction are oviparity, egg-laying, viviparity, live birth, and ovoviviparity, egg retention within the mother. Understanding these reproductive strategies is crucial for shark conservation efforts, as they influence population dynamics and vulnerability to fishing pressures. In oviparous species, females lay eggs that develop and hatch outside their bodies. For example, the horn shark lays eggs in protective cases known as mermaid's purses, which attach to the seafloor. These egg cases provide a safe environment for developing embryos, protecting them from predators. The eggs typically take several months to hatch, depending on environmental conditions. Viviparous species, such as the enormous white shark and bull shark, give birth to live young. In these species, embryos develop inside the mother, receiving nourishment through a placenta, similar to mammals. This method of reproduction increases the survival rate of the pups, as they are born fully formed and capable of independent survival. In some cases, the mother may give birth in protected nurseries where the pups can grow and develop away from larger predators. Ovoviviparous sharks retain their eggs within their bodies until they hatch, allowing the young to develop in a protected environment. The embryos feed on the yolk sac until they are ready to be born. This strategy is seen in species like the sand tiger shark, where stronger embryos may consume their weaker siblings in utero, ensuring that only the fittest survive. This form of intrauterine cannibalism underscores the intense competition for resources among developing embryos. The gestation period for sharks can vary significantly, ranging from several months to over 2 years, depending on the species. Litter sizes also vary, with some sharks birthing only a few pups, while others, like the spiny dogfish, can have litter sizes numbering in the hundreds. For example, a female spiny dogfish can give birth to up to 20 pups at a time, while a giant white shark may only have 2 to 14 pups per litter. After birth, shark pups are typically independent, meaning they must fend for themselves immediately. which can be a challenging endeavor in their predatory environment. Behavior and social structure. Sharks are often perceived as solitary creatures, but some species exhibit complex social behaviors. Hammerhead sharks are known to form schools, particularly during mating seasons, sometimes consisting of dozens or even hundreds of individuals. These schools provide safety in numbers and facilitate reproductive opportunities. Social interactions among sharks can include various forms of communication, such as body postures, swimming patterns, and even physical contact. Sharks communicate through body language and behaviors, using various postures and movements to convey information about their social status. For example, during courtship, males may engage in elaborate displays, such as swimming in circles around females, to demonstrate their fitness as mates. This behavior is not only important for attracting mates, but also for establishing dominance among competing males. While many species are known for their aggressive hunting tactics, others are more reserved and tend to avoid human interactions. The social dynamics of sharks can vary significantly between species, with some exhibiting territorial behaviors, while others are more tolerant of one another. For instance, some species like the bull shark can be highly aggressive and territorial, especially during mating seasons. Different shark species employ a variety of hunting strategies, demonstrating their adaptability as predators. Great white sharks often utilize an ambush approach, stealthily swimming below their prey before launching a powerful attack. Other species, like blacktip reef sharks, are known for their speed and agility, using rapid movements to catch prey. For example, blacktip sharks are known to breach the surface and perform acrobatic spins when attacking schools of fish, making them highly effective hunters. In addition to their hunting strategies, sharks also exhibit territorial behavior, with some species defending specific areas for feeding and mating. This territoriality can lead to interactions between sharks, sometimes resulting in aggressive confrontations. The complexity of shark behavior highlights their adaptability and intelligence, challenging the perception of them as mere mindless predators. Ecological importance. Sharks play a vital role in maintaining the balance of marine ecosystems. As apex predators, they help regulate populations of prey species, preventing overgrazing of essential habitats like coral reefs and seagrass beds. This regulatory role is crucial for the overall health of marine environments, contributing to biodiversity and ecosystem stability. By keeping prey populations in check, sharks help promote healthy fish stocks, which benefits both the ecosystem and human fisheries. For example, studies have shown that the decline of shark populations can lead to an increase in smaller predatory fish, which in turn can negatively impact the populations of herbivorous fish and disrupt the entire food web. Healthy shark populations contribute to the resilience of marine ecosystems, allowing them to adapt to environmental changes. In addition to their role as predators, sharks also impact the behavior and distribution of their prey. Sharks can influence the movements of prey species, causing them to alter their feeding habits and habitat use. For example, when sharks are present, schools of fish may avoid certain areas, allowing for the recovery of damaged habitats. This ecological interplay showcases the interconnectedness of marine life and emphasizes the need for shark conservation. Shark populations are vital to coral reefs, the world's most diverse ecosystems. By controlling populations of herbivorous fish that graze on coral, sharks help maintain the balance necessary for coral growth and resilience. This relationship underscores the importance of protecting sharks, not only for their sake, but also for the health of entire marine ecosystems. Threats to sharks. Despite their ecological importance, sharks face numerous threats from human activities. Overfishing is one of the most significant challenges, as many shark species are targeted for their meat, fins, and other body parts. Shark finning, a practice in which sharks are caught, their fins removed, and their bodies discarded has led to a drastic decline in shark populations worldwide. The demand for shark fins, particularly in some Asian cuisines, drives this cruel and wasteful practice, leading to the deaths of millions of sharks each year. The depletion of shark populations has far-reaching consequences for marine ecosystems. The removal of sharks as apex predators can disrupt the balance of food webs, leading to cascading effects throughout the ecosystem. Studies have shown that regions with lower shark populations often experience increases in smaller predatory fish, which can overgraze herbivorous fish and ultimately harm coral reefs and other essential habitats. Habitat destruction poses another significant threat to sharks. Coastal development, pollution, and climate change are all contributing to the degradation of critical habitats such as coral reefs, mangroves, and estuaries. These habitats serve as breeding and nursery grounds for many shark species, and their loss can further exacerbate shark populations' decline. Climate change is also impacting shark populations, as rising ocean temperatures and changing salinity levels can affect their distribution and breeding patterns. Additionally, ocean acidification poses a threat to the overall health of marine ecosystems, which can indirectly impact shark populations. As the ocean becomes more acidic, it can affect the growth of coral reefs, reducing habitat availability for many shark species. To combat these threats, conservation efforts have been implemented worldwide. Many countries have established marine protected areas, MPAs, to safeguard critical habitats and promote shark conservation. These areas restrict fishing and other harmful activities, allowing shark populations to recover and thrive. International agreements, such as the Convention on International Trade in Endangered Species, CITES, also regulate the trade of shark species threatened by overfishing. Conservation efforts. Shark conservation has gained momentum in recent years, driven by increased awareness of their ecological importance and the threats they face. Numerous organizations and initiatives are dedicated to protecting shark populations and their habitats. Public campaigns aimed at raising awareness about the plight of sharks have played a significant role in changing perceptions and fostering support for conservation efforts. Education is a crucial component of shark conservation. Engaging communities, particularly those reliant on marine resources, is essential for promoting sustainable practices and reducing fishing pressure. By involving local communities in conservation efforts, we can create incentives for protecting sharks while ensuring the livelihoods of those who depend on the ocean's resources. Innovative solutions are being developed to promote sustainable fishing practices. For example, the use of circle hooks and shark bycatch reduction devices can help minimize the accidental capture of sharks in commercial fishing operations. These practices aim to reduce bycatch and promote responsible fishing methods that protect both target species and vulnerable shark populations. Advancements in technology have also revolutionized shark conservation efforts. The use of satellite tracking and acoustic monitoring allows researchers to gather valuable data on shark movements, behavior, and habitat use. This information is essential for informing management decisions and designing effective conservation strategies. Citizen science initiatives have emerged, enabling the public to participate in shark research and conservation. Programs that involve community members in data collection, such as shark sightings or tagging efforts, promote awareness and engagement while contributing to valuable scientific research. Marine conservation organizations, such as Oceana and Shark Trust, are actively advocating for stronger protections for sharks and their habitats. Their efforts focus on policy changes, habitat restoration, and public awareness campaigns to foster a culture of conservation. Sharks in popular culture. Sharks have become cultural icons, frequently depicted in films, literature, and art. The 1975 film Jaws, directed by Steven Spielberg, is perhaps the most influential portrayal of sharks, instilling fear and fascination in audiences worldwide. While the film's depiction of a man eating an enormous white shark contributed to negative perceptions, it also sparked widespread interest in marine biology and shark conservation. Since Jaws, sharks have continued to be featured in various forms of media, from documentaries highlighting their ecological importance to reality shows focused on shark fishing. The fascination with sharks has led to an increase in ecotourism, where people can experience sharks in their natural habitats through diving and snorkeling adventures. This growing interest can provide economic incentives for shark conservation and protection efforts. Sharks have also made their mark in literature, with many authors using these creatures as metaphors for strength, danger, and resilience. Their symbolism often reflects human fears and challenges, further embedding them into our cultural consciousness. Notable literature, including Ernest Hemingway's The Old Man and the Sea, explores the relationship between humans and the ocean, with sharks often representing the untamed nature of the sea. The portrayal of sharks in popular culture has evolved, with a growing emphasis on their ecological significance and the need for conservation. Documentaries like Shark Water and the Shark Species showcase the beauty and diversity of sharks while advocating for their protection. These films aim to shift the narrative around sharks, emphasizing their vital role in marine ecosystems rather than perpetuating fear. Social media has also played a significant role in shaping perceptions of sharks. The rise of influencers and conservationists using platforms like Instagram and TikTok to share information about sharks has helped raise awareness and promote positive narratives. By showcasing the beauty of these creatures and the importance of their conservation, social media has the potential to inspire a new generation of shark advocates. Research and future prospects. Scientific research on sharks is crucial for understanding their behavior, biology, and conservation needs. Marine biologists and researchers employ various techniques, including tagging and tracking, to study shark movements and migration patterns. This research provides valuable insights into their life cycles, reproductive habits, and ecological roles. Advancements in technology, such as satellite tracking and underwater drones, have revolutionized shark research, allowing scientists to gather data on their behavior in real time. Understanding how sharks respond to environmental changes and human activities is essential for developing effective conservation strategies. As researchers continue to uncover new information about sharks, our understanding of their ecological roles will deepen, guiding more effective conservation efforts. This knowledge can also inform fishery management, ensuring that sustainable practices are implemented to protect shark populations and their habitats. Looking ahead, ongoing research efforts will be critical in informing policy decisions and conservation initiatives. By addressing shark threats and promoting sustainable practices, we can work toward a future where sharks thrive in healthy marine ecosystems. Engaging the public in shark conservation efforts and promoting responsible ecotourism will play a vital role in fostering a culture of awareness and appreciation for these magnificent creatures. Conclusion: sharks are remarkable creatures that have evolved over millions of years, showcasing incredible diversity and adaptations. Their ecological importance as apex predators and their unique biology make them essential components of marine ecosystems. Despite facing numerous threats, ongoing conservation efforts and increasing public awareness present hope for the future of sharks. By understanding and respecting these magnificent creatures, we can work together to ensure their survival for generations to come.